Hi my haters, Luis here from just88.com. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to a place that's redefined the art of pizza. A spot so good, it's earned a Michelin Bib. Get ready to dive into the magic of Pizzana. You know, when you see that Michelin Bib Gourmand, you know you're in for something special. And Pizzana, under the masterful hand of chef Daniele Udetti, absolutely lives up to that reputation. He's taken the beloved Naples staple and reimagined it with a conscious approach, blending the traditional with the truly unexpected. What truly sets Pizzana apart, what forms the very soul of their pizzas, is Chef Daniele's signature slow dough. This isn't just any dough, it's meticulously prepared and allowed to ferment for a remarkable 2 days. The result? A crust that is incredibly light, surprisingly easy to digest, yet still sturdy enough to pick up with just one hand. It's a testament to patience and perfection, and you can truly taste the difference. We recently had the pleasure of experiencing this firsthand with their Margarita al Crudo pizza. Imagine this, a base of vibrant San Marzano tomatoes, creamy flor de latte, generous folds of prosciutto de Parma, fresh arugula, delicate shavings of Parmigiano, and fragrant basil. Every bite was an explosion of fresh, high-quality ingredients harmonizing perfectly. It was classic, elevated to an art form. But prepare yourselves for a truly unique offering, a feast for your eyes as well as your palate. The Corbarina. This pizza features stunning squash blossoms. These delicate yellow-orange flowers that grow on zucchini are a rare and ephemeral delight. Their short lifespan makes them incredibly hard to find on restaurant menus. But thanks to Pizzana's fresh philosophy and strong farmer relationships, they serve these delicacies daily. Chef Daniele adds a cloud of creamy burrata, bright cherry tomatoes, and a house-made gremolata with olive oil, garlic, herbs, Calabrian chili, and lemon. Seriously, you taste the essence of summer in every single bite. It's truly unforgettable. And Pizzana isn't just about incredible pizza. We also indulged in their pappardelle alla bolognese pasta, rich and comforting. Their polpette al forno meatballs were tender and flavorful. And to balance it all out, a refreshing tricolore salad. They truly excel across the board. To complete our meal, we enjoyed two absolutely stunning mocktails. The vibrant Scala Sunset and the refreshing Vesuvian Blush. They were the perfect complement to the fresh flavors of the food. Honestly, we cannot recommend Pizzana enough. From the meticulously crafted dough to the consciously sourced toppings and the incredible overall dining experience, it's a must visit for any food lover. Go check Pizzana out. Tell them we sent you. And let us know what you think in the comments below. Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
see you in the next video. See you in the next video.